Okay, number 4. Directions say circle the items that have volume. If you recall, the definition of volume is how much space something takes up. So, another way to ask this question is, which of these 6 things takes up space? Let's ask ourselves, does a box of pasta take up space? It does, so let's circle it. Does a bottle of water take up space? Sure does, also has volume. Does a map take up space? At first you might be thinking, well, a map is a piece of paper, usually, so is paper 3-dimensional? And it is. Its thickness is very thin, but it's still a thickness. It takes up space. You might think the same thing for a flag. It's kind of flat, right? But it does take up space as well. It has volume. A gift box. Well, sure, any kind of box takes up space. Definitely has volume. The top of a dresser. This one's kind of tricky. It's not a very good question, I don't think, because if you're thinking of the top of a dresser as like the piece of wood that goes on top, sure, that takes up space. If you're thinking of the top of a dresser as just the flat surface upon which something rests, that doesn't. That's just a flat surface. So depending on how you think of it, this could be a yes or a no. So I'll circle half of it because it's a yes or a no, and you could be right either way.